Hi fellow small business marketers. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 things that have really been working for me lately to increase the organic views on my Facebook videos and also just my organic reach on Facebook in general. So if you're looking for Facebook algorithm hacks for organic views, I'm going to start with the easiest and save the most effective for last. I am a marketing manager at a heating and air conditioning company. So we're a service company and I've really been working on the Facebook reach lately. First of all, add hashtags. I had never really focused on hashtags on my Facebook posts before, but I started realizing that yes, this makes your post searchable. It kind of makes Facebook into a search engine. People do use the search bar and search for hashtags. However, when you do that, I would put them all the way down at the bottom. Don't put it like within the post wording itself, because that is just going to distract people to click away from your post. But after you are done making a post, do a couple of line spaces and then post a bunch of hashtags down at the bottom. 5 to 15 hashtags really is fine. I haven't noticed a difference on the amount. It does just make it more searchable. And especially in certain industries like my industry, heating and air conditioning, where I'm a marketing manager. Not many other heating and air conditioning companies are doing that in their posts. And so when you just do a hashtag search for something like AC repair, which is a really, really expensive keyword to target in places like Google Ads and things like that, a bunch of my posts come up first thing when you just do a hashtag search for AC repair. So that has really been a game changer for some of our posts to do a lot better organically. The second tip I have to increase your organic reach on Facebook is to have the actual creator of the page be the one to post the post. For some reason, Facebook knows when the actual page creator and not just an admin is posting, and it will boost those posts more, thinking that it's more important, more relevant, whatever. So while it's totally great to have admin posting to the page, if you are the actual creator of the page, then try to post directly to it instead of going through a different admin. Or let's say the company owner created the Facebook page 10 years ago, but they don't want to be the one to post it. They want you as the social media manager to do it. Maybe every few days you send them a post where they can just copy and paste it and put it into Facebook, and that will actually increase the organic reach of that particular post. So you could explain it to the company owner that way, be like, hey, if you're the one that actually posts this, it will probably do better. You don't have to do anything. Just get an email from me, the marketing manager, copy and paste it, put it in Facebook, and you're done. And maybe do that a few times a week and monitor the situation and see how it goes. And if it's no big deal for the actual creator of the page to make the post, then that should actually help the organic reach of that post. And really, any company owner that I know is perfectly fine with spending a couple of seconds to copy and paste if it's going to get them more eyeballs on their page for no extra money. Okay, my third tip, which is it was awesome for me, and I can't believe that I hadn't thought of doing this before, but I heard this from somebody else, I think it was Mari Smith, is to actually go into your Facebook videos and find one that you posted a while ago or whatever, and if it did really well, you can reuse that video in a new post, and that video's views will keep growing the more often that you post it. So you're not going to re-upload the video again and then post it, because then it's going to be like 2 separate videos. You can create a new post using that video, and the views will accumulate on that same video. Just to give you a visual on how to repost a video in a new post but still accumulate views on an old video is go into your creator studio and then go into, on some people's it says video library, mine says content library at the moment, and then you have to choose which type of content. So I have all of my videos pulled up. If I just wanted to repost this video right here, you can click on it, you can hit new post with video, and now it's going to reuse this video. I'll want to change the title and these words. I'll leave in the hashtags that I had in previously, maybe add some more, but make it look like a completely new post, but it's going to be using the exact same video. Therefore, it's just going to add the views that this video has already gotten, right? And it does work. I've been trying it out for the last couple of weeks. It works, okay? So again, Creator Studio, video library, create a new post using that same video, and you're good to go. Just as a small business marketer, I'm always trying to find ways to reuse something that I've already made so that I don't have to recreate the wheel on anything. I don't have to constantly be creating new content here, new content here, new content here. This is a great way to reuse content in a fresh way. A bonus tip, just in case you haven't already been doing this, and you probably have, make sure that when you're uploading a Facebook video that you have the auto captions on, and make sure that you review it before you post it to make sure that the captions don't say something strange. But I've noticed that the Facebook auto captioning feature is actually pretty reliable. Now I have to change particular things. The other day I uploaded a video about duct cleaning, and I had to change all throughout the video. The auto caption says duck instead of duct. But other than that, the captions were perfect. Also, adding the captions should help your organic reach as well on Facebook. So as promised, anytime that I learn something that has been working for me as a small business marketing manager, I will share it with you here so that you can benefit from it as well. I would love to have you subscribe so that we can kind of create this little community of small business marketers working together so that we can help each other out. Please subscribe, please like, and I hope that you have a great day.